couldn't sleep. This is the kind of thing that I do if I can't sleep, and that is just something, you know? In this case, it is this thing. It's called a magic arm, and you know, they are actually really cool, but this one is new and it's super stiff. This part just needs to loosen up. Compared to a used one on my desk, can you see that? This one is too stiff. By the way, what do we think of my sweet little setup here? You know, headlamps. Phew. If I didn't care what people thought, I'd wear them all the time. Speaking of what people think, is this really obviously two shirts? I'm doing a little experiment here. I've got a mic taped to my shirt. I would probably do a different shirt that doesn't show. Right now I'm just playing, so. And you know what I'm actually kind of missing right now? Some music. We're gonna listen to some stock music. Go by mood. What kind of mood are we in? We're in a happy mood. And play. This is happy. I think this is another one of those what the hell is going on moments. This is my creative process. I basically don't know what I'm doing until it starts to feel like I know what I'm doing. Have some fun. Get the light, you know, going and just start recording. And then I just kind of see what happens and see what feels fun and what makes me want to keep going. Oh, and cleaning up. It involves cleaning up. Because I really can't get anything done. Oh, the place is a mess and it's preventing me from thinking. I think we should probably call it there. There's only so much creative genius that you can handle in one video. So, I'll see you tomorrow. There's one other important part of this particular process. I have to start recording, but I don't have to actually do anything with the footage, but I have to make footage. That's the important rule here, is that if I want to actually end up doing something, well, I have to do something. And the deal that I make with myself is that I don't have to use the footage, but I have to get footage. And this is one of those times. I don't have to use this footage. Am I going to use this footage?